I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tricolor pasta salad. Now, tricolor pasta has three colors. There's some green pasta, it's colored with spinach. There's some red pasta, it's usually colored with a little bit of beet juice. And then there's the conventional white pasta. So since I'm using a colorful pasta, I like to also add as much color as possible. So I'm also going to use these lovely sweet small peppers. So I have a yellow one, an orange one, and a red one. I'm going to chop them up real quick. Just have to remove the seeds and some of the white ribbing. But there isn't nearly as much of the white ribbing as there is on the bigger peppers. These are so sweet. I use them in everything I possibly can when they're available. So I'm just going to cut them into some nice small strips. And I'm going to toss them with the tricolored pasta. See how much color we have going on there? I'm going to add some chopped green onion, some olive oil, some red wine vinegar, some salt, and some black pepper. Toss that up together. And there you have a tricolor pasta salad.